Yeah, man, I wrote this song when I first moved back.
He's at it again.
Shout out to JDS Studios, man. Thanks for putting me in. Good to be back, man. It just depends on who you ask, I guess, you know?
He's at it again.
But this is explaining a little bit of where I'm at, where I was.
My addiction to this feeling got me glued to the ceiling. I'm trying to get higher clicks from a lighter, teasing up to excite her, stroke the passion and ignite her. The devil's in the soul of some I love. The level of the tone like summer love. For victim to the same old vices, still chill with the same low license. I can't feel good, I can't feel bad, can't move on when I miss the life I had. I give my soul to the smoke, for the pain to devote, down the drain with my hope. I'm foolish, you see, the blame's on me, shame on me.
He's back to the wind,
Dealing with turbulence,
living life on a whim.
now it's sink or swim.
He's at it again. He's in for the win.
Can't even pretend,
Where to begin?
never again.
Eternal test of your mind.
Then it all falls in line.
But it's really trying to find a means to the end.
Maintaining this image, I keep wise when I speak, ingenious when I think. But when it come to bad habits, I'm so weak. The ones I hold close to overdosing. My family the champ, and I feel like I've been chosen. I'm so done with my heart beating so frozen. When I grab a mic, I'm a titan. Try and take my life in, I'm a god fighting. Flow quick and lightning. My love mighty frightening, my passion is bashing these weak MCs. Quiet down when the king speaks. Take a seat since you never learn your lesson. This ain't a gift or a blessing, this a minor work 24/7. And what you hear is years of dedication, and what I fear now is years of desperation. All the tears I never cried wasted. My story a tale of failure, and it suited me well like I had it tailored. And as I grew the courage to make it sound, the music's the only time I make my mama proud. So I dropped them jokes, leave a room in awe of what they just saw. The boy so raw, the flow straight ill. And if I was a murderer, I'd serial kill. See the fury in my will to succeed. Haters talking like, yeah, we'll see. Actually, that's my family, I'm just speaking candidly. I find it hard to handle me, I turned a new leaf. What could it be? Is the truth of the sea? More importantly, who do I need to believe? Is it you, is it me?
He's back to the wind,
Dealing with turbulence,
living life on a whim.
now it's sink or swim.
He's at it again. He's in for the win.
Every song inside of me, show a different side of me. You know I gotta ride a beat, I gotta be a sight to see. I'm trying to build a dynasty, something they dynasty. No need for designer things, I'm all about designing me. Refining my philosophies, I'm spitting high velocity. I sit with curiosity, a time of idiocracy. Living in the world of hypocrisy. While I'm looking and I'm thinking like Socrates. Juggernauting while I'm plotting to spoil my family rotten, to bring a happiness that we forgot. I'm shaping my world one vision at a time, carving these pictures that resemble ancient scriptures.
He's back to the wind,
Dealing with turbulence,
living life on a whim.
now it's sink or swim.